Hello family, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a very simple recipe for preparing matoke. So I have my bananas that I've already boiled, my meat, tomatoes, onion, garlic, and my chili beef, and of course avocado. And then I'm going to prepare using some also greens that I'll cook aside. This is spinach and skuma wiki. Welcome to my channel, guys. Please subscribe, support your girl. Thank you. After adding my onion and oil, I'm going to add my meat since it was not boiled. So I'll let my meat to cook for like 10 minutes. Then I'll add my tomatoes. So I'll add the meat and the garlic together. For this, the meat is going to cook and my onions will also be cooking. So after my onions are golden brown, that's when now I'll know that my meat is almost ready, and I want my tomatoes and the spices I need to add. My onions are already cooked, and the meat is also softened a little bit. So at this moment I'm going to add my I'll add salt. So I had not added salt before because I didn't want my meat to add enough. So I'm going to add my chili beef, the one chili beef, and then my tomatoes, and I'll stir and simmer for the tomatoes to be roasted. Let's also add our salt at this moment so that everything can be well cooked. My bananas, so I'm going to mix this until everything is well mixed, and then I want some water and simmer, and our matoke will be ready. So guys, our final meal is ready. Our matoke is ready. I'm serving it with my spinach and skuma and avocado. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. I love you. Until next video. Bye bye.